Chicago Bucket Boys. My name is Mike, aka Mike Larry.
My name James, aka Trigger Mill.
My name Ken, aka Kilo.
Well, you started this like a good 7 years ago.
Long time ago, on my life.
I was going to school, had joined the drum line. Then my friend, he like, oh yeah, this guy, you got talent, man. He introduced me to the buckets. I've been doing this for like a good 7, 8 years now.
And me, let me see. I've been doing this since I was like fifth grade, you know. As far as this goes, all we is hustlers. We out here hustling, trying to make a living. And
Stay positive.
stay positive, you know, live life. We first got the train, we gonna set up wherever we see a lot of people at Walgreens.
That's our first spot, Walgreens.
Forever 21, Nike Town, the museum, you know. Wherever we get enough money at the beer revenue, that's what we gonna set up at. We want to recruit people that we real tight with, you feel me? You can't just be anybody walking up to them, oh, I want to be a bucket boy, teach me how to be, you gotta be plugged in with one of the real people. All the real bucket boys that be performing the halftime shows, Cortez, Antonio, KD, all of them, you gotta know all of them. You can't just be down here just be mean things, they're gonna get on your heels. We teach kids how to do it and all that, so they can grow up and use their talents to make money. That's what it's for. You use your talents to make something out of nothing, right? And we use buckets and sticks and crates to make money. That's what we do. It's just something it's like a talent God gave us. And it's just automatic.
And we do shows on the side
We do
too.
shows, we do everything.
Bookings, birthdays, bar mitzvahs, halftime shows, all that good stuff.